Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw the iron spider. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eyes. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up, and I'm going to have a little curve on it at the end. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve down, and then I'm just going to go all the way around and then curve up to here. Then same thing on this side. I'm going to start right here, draw a line that just kind of curves up, and then a little curve at the top, and then a little line that just kind of curves out, and then kind of back up to here. Then starting right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that just kind of curves around and then comes down to here. And then right here, a little line that just goes down and then kind of curves up to here. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that just kind of curves like this. And then I'm just going to curve around here and then make it go up to here. And then same thing here, just going to curve this line. And then I'm just going to curve right around to here. Now, I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curves out and then goes down here for his arm. And then right here, I'm just going to draw two little bumps for his hand. And I'm going to make a little line that curves out and then goes back down for his thumb. And then a little line that just kind of curves around here for one of his fingers. Then I'm going to draw two oval shapes right here. And then another little line right here for his pinky, and then connect it right there to his hand. Then I'm just going to make a little line that just kind of curves back to here. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to go up and then down like this. And then I'm going to draw a little line that curves up and down. And then another one right here for one of his fingers. Then a little line that just kind of curves around for his thumb. And I'm going to make a little bump for his hand. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this back up here. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line right here. And then a line that comes down here for his body. Then starting right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that goes out and then kind of curves back. And then I'm just going to make a little line that just goes down and comes up here. And then same thing here, a little line that just kind of curves out and then comes back to here. Then a line that just kind of curves down and comes back up for his other foot. Then I'm just going to make a little curved line right here for his legs. Now we want to draw the actual little robotic arms of the spider. So, starting back here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and then it's just going to kind of go down and then come back. Then I'm going to make a little curved line around it. Then you want to make a line that goes out And then another one here. And then a little curved line around it. And then I'm just going to make a little line that curves down and then comes back. Then right here, I'm going to make another one that goes up a little bit higher, over and then back down. A little line that curves around. Two little lines that go up. And then I'm going to make a little kind of moon shape right here. Make this line connect. And then I'm going to make this spike look a little bit bigger so it's a little bit closer to us. And I'm going to make it kind of curve around here. Then right here, I'm going to make another little line that goes down, over, and up. A little curved line on it. Two little diagonal lines. And then this time I'm going to draw the spike that goes up and comes down. And then I'm going to add a little curved line right here. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a little line that goes down, and then another one here. Going to make a little kind of rectangle shape there. A little curved line. And then two little lines down. And then I'm going to put the hook going this way. And a little curved line right there. Now I want to work on his outfit just a little bit. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down and then come back up here. And then same thing on this side. Make a little line that just kind of goes down here in like a V shape. Then a little curve here and a little curve here. And then I'm just going to put a little curve there. Now starting here, I'm just going to put a little triangle shape there. And then kind of make it like a little diamond shape. And I'm going to make a couple little lines kind of coming off of here. And then I want a line up here. And then a line here and a line here. Then I'm just going to connect these with some curved lines. And then I'm going to connect these with some curved lines as well. As if you're making like a little spider web. Put two more right up here. I'm going to color in a little black circle and then a black oval right here. And then I'm just going to make 8 little legs on it. And then I'm just going to add some little lines on here. And then some more little lines on his fingers. Some little lines on his arms. Little line going down each one. Then some lines on his legs and feet. And then some lines going right down his shirt. And there you go. There is your drawing of the cartoon Iron Spider. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.